How to handle rounding to -0 in Python docstring tests. Related to this question, how to have -0 always formatted as +0 in a Python string. I have the following function that implements MATLAB's orth.m using numpy. I have a docstring test that relies on np.array2 string using suppress_small equals true, which will make small values round to 0. However, sometimes they round to +0 and sometimes they round to -0, depending on whether the answer comes out as 1 times 10 to the power of -16 or -1 times 10 to the power of -17 or similar. Which case happens is based on the SVD decomposition, and can vary from platform to platform or across Python versions depending on which underlying linear algebra solver is used, BLAS, LAPACK, etc. What's the best way to design the docstring test to account for this? In the final doc test, sometimes the q, 0, 1, term is -0. And sometimes it's 0.
You can print the rounded array plus 0.0 to eliminate the -0. So your docstring should be
Here's another alternative I came up with, although I think I like rounding the array to the given precision better. In this method, you shift the whole array by some amount that is bigger than the round-off error, but smaller than the precision comparison. That way the small numbers will still always be slightly positive.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.